Hello guys, welcome to the next video of this playlist Python for Beginners. Currently we are exploring few projects of Python to develop interest in Python and make the coding journey funny and interesting. So this time I have planned to create something horror movie for you using Python. To create this horror movie, I have used a famous package called as Pygame. So Pygame is responsible to create 2D games in Python. And if you are a regular viewer of my channel, you might know that I have created two amazing games using Pygame, which were Snake Game and other was a Space War game. Do watch these two videos available on my YouTube channel after you watch this video. So without wasting any time, let's start developing this horror project, which would definitely make your coding journey amazing, interesting and funny. Hello viewers, I hope you got scared after watching our demo of our project. So as you can see on the screen, in this folder I have included all the required files for this project. I will open this database folder now. So as you can see, there are 3 sound files and 2 images of screen that appeared during the demo video. So I will explain the use of these files during the code as well as during the runtime. So let's move back. This time we will be using Pygame to run the code. So I will just right click on this main file and I will just open it with Pygame. So let's wait. So Pygame is opened. This is just 25 lines of code as you can see on the screen. So this program requires 3 modules. First is Pygame module, which is used to make 2D games and it is very famous module of Python. Second module is time. This module will be used to pause the screen for a few moments. And third module is PyAutoGUI. This module has the ability to simultaneously move cursor as well as button presses. Using this module only, the system sound was increased to 100 that you saw during the demo video. So let's move ahead. We have created a variable called time which has 0. And we have used this time to increase the system value to 100, and then we have written PyAutoGUI.press in bracket volume up. This line increases the volume up by 2, and because we have to make the system volume to 100, I have set the time validity to 50, so that is 50 into 2, which will give us 100. So even if our system value is 0, this line will make the system value to 100. So let's move ahead. This is Pygame.initialize. This line is used to initialize the Pygame. Then window Pygame.display.set mode 00, Pygame.fullscreen. This line creates the full black screen, so user could not able to close this application even if he tries. He has to watch the entire short film of 10 seconds. In the next line, I have initialized the mixer method of Pygame package. This mixer method is used to play the songs during the runtime. So after that, I have just loaded my first music, which is background.mp3 in this mixer module by giving the entire path of this music. Then I have simply played that song. Then I have slept for 6 seconds. Then I have loaded an image in Pygame using Pygame.image.load method, and I have provided a part of that image, that is main screen.jpg. I use build method of Pygame model of image so that the image will be displayed on full screen. Pygame.display.update method to update the method on the full screen. Then I have simply played the music, and this time I have given a past argument as -1, which will repeat the music after it is over, then I have paused the screen for 2 seconds. Then I have loaded another image called welcome.jpg, and in the similar way I also updated the image using window.build method, and so that the image will be displayed on full screen. Then I simply updated the module, and after that I sleep for 2 seconds so that the image will be displayed on the screen for 2 seconds. Then I am using Pygame.quit method to exit the full screen. So let's move to the live demo of our project. Before running the application, I would make my system volume to 0 to check whether if the system volume turns 100 automatically or not. So I have made my system volume to 0, as you can see. Now I will just click on run button. See, the system volume is increasing automatically. I am doing nothing. And let's wait for that black screen, and it has appeared. This was really dangerous for any new user. You can try this with your friends. Here comes to end of our project. Thanks for watching.